one of the pieces of gear that you need. But if we're gonna keep it basic, okay, you need a microphone, of course. Okay, so I've covered this mic a little bit in another video where I talked about the Songwriting Studio, and you can go check that out if you want. But this is my Rode NT1. So I've had this mic for 20 plus years. It's an Australian company, Rode. They make incredible mics. These days you can't buy it looking like this. I think the NT, but look, they're really nice mics for the price. I think I paid $200 for this one back then. They're probably 300 now or whatever. I've got other mics. I don't really use this one anymore. I've sort of graduated to other mics, okay? But that's another thing that you need. A microphone, an audio interface, of course. You need monitors. Obviously, you want to hear the signal. Headphones to record. If you're going to record acoustic guitar and vocal, you want to be able to hear yourself. You're not going to use external monitors for that, obviously, right? So you need headphones, you need monitors, you need one of these or a couple of these. You need an audio interface, and of course, you need a computer. So the computer is really important because that is really the heart of your studio. So that's where all the audio is gonna go into. That's where you're gonna have your DAW. That's where you're gonna mix your audio. You're gonna edit it. You know, you're gonna add effects to it and plugins, and then mix it down and all that business. So the computer needs to actually be able to handle the workload. And that is really important. Now, how much workload? Well, that depends on you, of course. It depends on how big your sessions are gonna be, whether they're gonna be fully orchestrated and arranged, or you're just looking for a simple, clean, acoustic, singer-songwriter type of demo, okay? So you're gonna have to look at those stats. Look at the stats of your computer, the RAM, an SSD drive, you know, the CPU. So whether it's going to be Apple or PC, I've got another video for that. Okay, I've done that as part of the essential tools of a songwriter, a songwriting studio. Okay, but anyhow, that's basically the main pieces of gear that you need.